Okay, we're gonna take a quick look at this year work, and this is a wood chipper and shredder. We'll take it out. This is a 15 amp and see what it can do for us. Should be very straightforward to take out and put it together, and that's it. Have the wheels, user's manual, and everything else. The pusher. This is more tools, legs. And we have to put the legs on really quick to release these two screws on the sides real quick. Axle goes on the middle. Put these two pieces in here so they kind of hold in both sides. And that's pretty much it. Then the wheels and the screw caps. And do the same on the other side. And if you need to hold the axle, just use a screwdriver like this. Tight more if needed, like this. See, usually you don't need it, just in case you do. Perfect. And the hubs. Perfect, we're done. And then you have the filling bag handles on the side. There's something I would like to show you if I can. I didn't plug it yet. The blades, it's dual blade, so it cuts twice. That's just how this thing works. Yep, right there. And that spins, and this is protected in here, so you can just willy-nilly put your fingers in or something. And besides that, construction is really good. And have the label here that tells you the spec. So no load speed is 4,000 RPM, and collection bag vacuum up to 50 liters. Model YE004, and the motor 120 volt at 15 amp. That's it. And you have the lock and unlock mechanism here. This one right here, you can lock it and unlock it. And then you have the button that's weather and dust protected. It's on 0 right now, but you flip it at 1 to start, and that's it. And this is your plug. That's literally all it takes. And you can hang this plug, or you can tangle the other plug on it. Pusher. Okay, ready to do some wood or sticks or whatever I have around right. You can hang this handle on the side if you don't need it, and unlock it here. Okay, and you saw it yourself. It cleared up those pieces of wood like it was nothing. Let's see what's in the bag now, and if we have anything good. Wow, made it more like sawdust. Look at that. This is actually really good for a garden, which that's what I'm gonna use it for, but look at that. And I can grind more. Yeah, okay, well, I'm gonna have to do more, but for now, for the video, this will make. That should be more than enough. Look at that thing. Besides that, what else can I tell you? It does exactly what it promises to do, and it does it in a good fashion. Nice. That's actually a really good job from your work. Really a beautiful machine. Look at that. And as per me, that's all I can tell you. Just fill those baggies and you should be really good to go. And it cut it literally without any suffering or nothing at all. And it did not heat at all. It's not even warm. Yep. So it's actually good. And this pusher works really nice, actually. Let me hang it here where it belongs, but nice. Okay, so we are done with this little cool machine. Gotta say, I like it. It did actually better than I thought. And when you're done with it, literally just grab the handle, and it's extremely light to actually drive it around or push it around. So yeah, see you next time.